Live wallpaper on iPhone, iOS 26. Lot of wallpaper. Open App Store. SME app. Download and open. Search Creator ID 276. Select Wallpaper to review. Download wallpaper. Need watch. Add to free download. Set wallpaper. Enable motion effect. Lot of live wallpapers. Download if you want. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.